Good afternoon to the board of directors. Today, we Mercedes-Benz are going to introduce you our product and persuade you to buy our product. In our content, we have achievements. Why are we special? C-Class Coupe, followed by exterior and interior, features, general services, and lastly, pricing offers. Now I'm going to talk about the achievements made by us Mercedes-Benz. Firstly, our Mercedes-Benz Malaysia remains the #1 luxury lifestyle brand, include our product and our engaging experiences. Secondly, we have the best products and best customer experiences. Malaysia has invested over 1 billion ringgit Malaysia to us Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz brand has been recognized by the Malaysian team and customer as the best product and best customer experiences. Lastly, seamless end-to-end experience elevated with Mercedes-Benz. Benz services Malaysia financing 4 out of every 10 vehicles, contributing to a total financing portfolio of 2.7 billion ringgit Malaysia. Now I'm going to pass my slide to Immanuel.
Thank you. Firstly, a very good afternoon to the board of directors. So the car we have chosen for you to present to you is the C-Class Coupe. Firstly, the exterior. The C-Class Coupe comes in 3 colors: diamond white, selenite grey magno, and hyacinth metallic. We understand that you as senior managers, as meetings are a very common occurrence for you. As such, first impressions are also often a defining point at those meetings. So to guarantee that you will make a good first impression, we have chosen the sportiest form that the C-Class Coupe could possibly come in for you. When you roll up in this form, they will know that you are indeed not someone to be trifled with, but to be respected. Moving on to the interior, it comes in 2 colors, magma grey and espresso brown. Compared to our direct competitors, the C-Class Coupe is considerably much more spacious than other cars. It is making it perfect for long distance or short and long distance travel, whether it be to your local coffee shop or to, per se, a meeting in Johor. Now on to the features. Most phones nowadays all have wireless technology used to charge or listen to music with them. To help you stay connected, all Mercedes vehicles come with a wireless charging system for your phones. So long as you are inside the vehicle, your phone will be constantly charged. We also have a smartphone integration system, which links your phone directly to the vehicle, allowing you to effortlessly and easily make calls or reschedule meetings, all at the push of a button or with voice control. The C-Class Coupe also comes with a plethora of safety features, one of which is the Distronic Driving Assistant, which will notify you if other vehicles on the road get rather too close for comfort, allowing you to keep your focus on the road. Of course, these are only a few of the features offered by Mercedes-Benz. Now I'd like to pass the floor to Jolin.
And now I'll be talking about the general services that we provide. Firstly, I'll be talking about the door-to-door service, where you can fix an appointment with us and have your Mercedes-Benz delivered to a preferred location. However, this service is only available up to 30 km distance per way, but only at 50 ringgit Malaysia. Now I'll be talking about Premier Express. We know that time is one of your most sacred commodities, which is why you value time as much as you do. Hence, by providing you the Premier Express service, you can have your Mercedes-Benz routine maintenance in an hour or less. Last but not least, for the drop and go service, You can drop off your Mercedes-Benz during or outside our operating hours. Leave your key with us and we'll have it ready to go again for your collection. Last but not least, I'll be talking about the pricing offers. Firstly, you will have a 5 years warranty and also an additional 2 more years warranty as you are buying in bulk with us. Hence, we will also provide you an additional 15% discount. All in all, the original price that you have to pay us is 3.3 million ringgit Malaysia. And after the price discount, you will only have to pay 2.8 million ringgit Malaysia. Hence, the total discount you get from us will be approximately 500,000 ringgit Malaysia. All in all, you should choose us as we provide the maximum comfort and also represent the epitome of luxury in the car industry. Thank you.